Hey everyone, welcome to HT Tech. As you can see, I have the OPPO Reno4 Pro with us. It's the latest smartphone in OPPO's Reno series. And in this video, we're going to be checking out the top features that this smartphone has to offer. Now let's turn on the smartphone and check out more about it. The Reno4 Pro has a 6.55-inch Full HD Plus display, and you also have an AMOLED panel on top, and in addition to that you also get 90 Hz refresh rate. So the smartphone runs on ColorOS 7, which is based on Android 10. Now when you take a look at the phone, you see that there are a lot of pre-installed Google apps, including the Google One app. Another thing is that the review units of the Reno4 Pro came with some of the banned apps pre-installed, and these include TikTok and Hello. But the company has already issued a software update that deletes the apps. Now the reason behind this is that the review units were manufactured before the ban announcement, but the company has confirmed that the retail units of the Reno4 Pro will ship without these apps. The rear cameras on the Reno4 Pro stand out a lot, and it's something that will most likely catch your eye every time you look at the phone. Overall, the phone is really light, so that's good. And it also has this matte finish, which not only makes the phone look good, but it also gives a really good grip. So these are the top features of the OPPO Reno4 Pro. In terms of specs, you get a Snapdragon 765G chipset, 8GB of RAM and 256GB of storage. Stay tuned for more such videos where we unbox different phones, check out their specs and features.